This is our Republic Lagun horizontal rise and fall CNC milling machine, model HRF-1540. It got its name, rise and fall, because of the box-like cycle of the movement of the table and the fact that the knee itself is the one that's actually moving up towards the spindle and it's not the spindle that's moving down towards the part. That makes it really the ideal machine for production runs and for horizontal cutting. It comes with a 7.5 horsepower spindle motor with 9 speeds that is available with also electronic variable speed. It comes with a standard 40 taper and 2 arbor supports. One is equipped with the bronze bushing for heavy cuts and lower RPMs, and one is a needle bearing for high RPMs. Table load capacity is 660 pounds. And it also comes with a couple options for the table guarding. It does come standard with a semi-table guarding, but here you see it comes with a full enclosure. You need to work with coolant and making sure that everything stays inside of the machine, keeping your work area nice and clean, and also just to protect the operator. The machine itself is built with an extra wide square box ways to support the saddle. The ways are hardened and ground, and the bearing surface are coated with Tercite B material for a near frictionless table motion. Also, with all of our CNC equipment, are able to implement whichever CNC control you request. So as a customer, you have the option of Fanuc, Siemens, Bagor, Accurite. We're able to make sure that we get the right CNC control implemented to the machine. We write all the PLC logic in-house. Honestly, that allows you as a customer the flexibility to be able to modify the PLC if need be. It also allows you to have that assurance that we'll be here to help you service it and assist with any troubleshooting that we may need to perform. The electrics, like most of our other machines, are done in-house as well, which gives us the flexibility to be able to make sure we're meeting your needs. Certain certifications such as UL certified or Canadian standards are no problem whatsoever. The key factors to really remember is that it is UL and DoD approved. The fact that it is a highly adaptable machine, we even can add a vertical head and a vertical spindle to assist with cutting, drilling and tapping holes, so you can even perform multiple functions on the one machine. This can come in 3-axis, but we can also make it into a 4th-axis, 5th-axis, and even a 6-axis machine. It's adaptable really to any customer's needs. We're able to make those modifications here in-house and provide you with the solution that you would need for your application. So for more information, please visit us at www.lagun.com.